Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. If you guys have a Chevy Cruze, guys, and doesn't matter which engine you have, and you get any of the following two codes, P2122 or P2127, stay with us guys and we'll explain how to fix these codes, what causes these codes, and what needs to be replaced in order to make your car run like brand new again. Now, quick introduction to the channel, guys. As you know, we will have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze and every car we get at the shop. This is because our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully, guys, you will find the information helpful and it will guide you in the right direction to fix your vehicle. So this Chevy Cruze now, guys, okay, when we started, the car says warning message that there is a problem, decreased power, the throttle may not feel responsive or it may not work at all, and we'll explain what causes that now. Okay, let me go ahead and start in just to show you okay what happens first, but let me get the scanner as well so we can connect it at the same time. Okay, and I'll explain to you guys how to fix that problem. So this is the scanner, guys. All the tools and parts that we use in our videos, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out, guys. So the scanner is connected. Okay, perfect, we are ready there. Now I'm going to go inside and I'll start the car. Okay, and you can see it says engine power is reduced. Okay, let me turn the light off so you can see a little bit better. Engine power reduced. Even if I pump the gas pedal, nothing happens, guys, nothing. So that doesn't feel responsive at all. Now I'll turn the ignition off, turn it back on. So now with that scanner we're going to scan the system and we're going to see what's wrong with it. You can do so many things, guys, with that scanner, and not just on Chevy Cruze, on pretty much any car that has OBD2 connection, which means cars past 1996. You can, guys, read codes from the engine computer, ABS and traction control computer, and airbag computers as well. You can register batteries, you can do injector programming, steering angle sensor, calibration, TPMS reset, quite a few things, guys. Very helpful scanner. This thing can pay itself off in one-time use, so I'll definitely recommend it, and we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Not very many scanners can read ABS and traction control computers, which are very important nowadays because once in a while you will need it, guys. So codes found 2. Okay, and now we have 3 different computer modules. So check each one of them, guys. You can check the codes in each one of them. You may have some extra codes. Usually ours is the one that ends in A8. That's the one that we have the codes. We click read codes. We're going to check stored codes now. And we have code P2122 and P2127. If I go back, I'll click pending codes and make sure that we don't have an extra code that hasn't been sent to the hard memory of the computer, and nope, still the same. Throttle pedal position sensor, guys, switch D and switch E. So I'll go ahead, turn the car off, okay, and I'll explain what needs to be done in order to fix that. Now, in order, guys, to get rid of that code, okay, you need to go ahead and replace your throttle pedal, guys. So in order to fix that problem, guys, you need to go ahead, remove your throttle pedal and replace it, or check the connection, guys, one of the two. So this is, guys, the throttle pedal right there. Not very complicated. We have the video on the channel that explains how to replace it, how to remove it. It takes only a couple minutes. If you need to buy the parts, guys, we have the link in the description of the video below. Please check it out. That's for your convenience, and see where we bought our pedal from. So now we'll go ahead and replace ours and see if that fixes the problem. The purpose of today's video is to see if that will take care of the problem. And if you want to see the replacement, again, the video will be on the channel. So let's continue now. Okay, ignition is on, guys. Okay, I'll go back now. Okay, let me go back, and we're going to click erase codes. Yes, erase done. So if I turn the car off and restart it, engine light shouldn't be on. Okay, and the only warning message is hood open. We don't have anything else, and the car is responsive. Okay, and you can see it it revs up pretty easy now. So definitely guys, that took care of our problem. Hopefully that will be the problem with your car. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.